Okay, Chief Waja. You know, I don't meet you before,
Yes,
and I discovered that you be chief, high chief in the Igbo land, and I don't always follow you on Facebook because you do on social media as Waja. Mind you, my fans, follow his page Waja. You always they promote Igbo culture and tradition,
yes.
and I dey only see your position. Say that there's nothing like ọgwụ. No ọgwụ, no spiritual money. Nobody go pray for you to make money or do any juju to make money anywhere. But as person wey don wey dey abroad, because this my page now about exposing things wey dey happen abroad. I dey see our people wey dey abroad, our African people wey dey abroad. From abroad here, they dey send money go Africa to buy cow, buy goat for sacrifice for native doctors to do sacrifice for them to make money. Oh, abroad here dem dey oh, e dey feel between me so. Some dey from here, they send money for anointing oil. Import from Africa come abroad.
Yes.
Anointing oil. They from here send money to Africa. For prayer. They send for tithe, for offering, and so on. From abroad here. Some go even from here, go for crusade for Africa. Now I want to find out from you. What is your position about ọgwụ? Is there anything like spiritual way of making money, either from church or from tradition?
Okay.
If you mix some
Yeah, let me start.
language.
First, I must be sincere to myself so that I can be sincere to you. It is time African people need to understand that money is not spiritual. Money is an ordinary paper printed by government and monitored by the same government. I came to Dubai from Ghana and coming to do business here in order to make money, right? How not the possible that I can buy cow in Ghana to make money? Why am I here?
Yeah.
I am here for business and I'm going tomorrow.
Yeah.
You see, the problem some of our brothers in abroad, have is when you come here, you want to make money. They are not doing business.
Yeah.
They are not into any business. Most of them are in the house. You understand the business, doing one or two things, looking for ritual. They will do
To back it up,
okay,
illegal things.
yes,
Looking for spiritual things to back it up.
You see, most African people believe that with the spirituality, impossibility will become possible, which is not possible. That's why if you travel to many countries in the world, you see a lot of black people in the prison because they want impossibility to become possible for them. Coming to ritual money, which we call ọgwụ in our place, and what is very called ọgwụ no one.
Are you serious?
Chinese people will not leave their country and come to Lagos to be doing business in order to make money.
Yeah.
We have a lot of our people in China that are doing business. So lazy people are in the room trying to make money in a wrong way.
Yeah.
You see, when people want to make money in a wrong way, that is when you will see them
Also go
trying to buy
the wrong
cow.
way.
They will go to native doctor so that native doctor will see tomorrow for them.
Okay.
If the native doctor can see tomorrow, why can't native doctor see like today is Saturday? Maybe Nigeria will play match today, Arsenal, Chelsea. They will tell you this is what Chelsea will score. Chelsea will score 2-0 or Chelsea will score 3-0. Go and stake it with 1 million naira or 10 million naira so that you can make 50, 30 million naira. They will not see that one. But they will be there seeing things that are not relevant to your life. From there, they will start collecting cow, goat, cock, all those things, so that the blood of a cow will make whatever they want you to do. So to me, I don't believe in ritual money, and I know that ritual money does not exist. If you want to make money, you need to work hard in life. You need to have business. You are in Dubai now. You are working. I'm in Dubai now. I came for business. I'm going back to Ghana. So what of other people say here that they want to make money in a wrong way? It's not gonna be possible. So ritual money does not exist.
Okay.
Anything in a kunuwa, anything in a menuwa, I will explain this one in my language so that other Igbo people following us will understand.
Right.
Whatever you are doing in this world and you want to make money, you need to look for a business. You need to establish a business. You need to have foundation for the business.
Or look for job. The company have to employ you.
Company
pay you salary.
Employ you and pay you salary for using your time, using your energy and your brain. Aside this, and when if open here men why go because not the possible the native doctor doing that ritual money for you will do it for his children.
Okay.
Most of these native doctors, their children are jobless. So why are you going to them? The only money that exists in Ogwego is that money you pay. Apart from that money, no any other money you get. So I am advising every Igbo person look for job. Like in this country now, this is my 35 times coming to Dubai since 2003. 35 times. all these train station or whatever here, I am older than them in Dubai because I came to this country for the first time in 2003, and this is 2003. I've been coming.
Wow.
Maybe
Some of you from young age. You begin to Dubai.
yes, I started coming here when I was, I think, 23 years or 22.
That's good. That's good. That's good.
So I've laid a good foundation here that in the year I must surely make money. So, but if you don't have that kind of foundation, how will you make money in life?
So what
Then
you mean
you want to buy?
So what you mean is that the only way to make money is exchange of goods and service.
Yes.
Either they provide service
That's
where they
the
work
only thing you
and you
want.
are paid for
Okay.
that service, or you have business goods to sell.
Yes.
Products to sell.
Let's take Nigeria for example. We have over 300 million people in Nigeria. How many people are patronizing you? We have over 300 million people in Nigeria. How many people are patronizing you as a Nigerian?
Nice.
You don't have anybody patronizing you, so how will you make money?
How do you make money? So
You must have
you want to make it like
people
magic,
you.
magic money.
So let's look at Coca-Cola. Do you know how many people drinking Coca-Cola in Nigeria every blessed day? They are making their money. Now you want to buy your fellow human beings.
Because
You
they
want
use-
to buy
they
your
use
fellow
they
human
use money to
being.
do that.
Too much
Buy in Nigeria, some they buy their
You see, the
girlfriend.
way they are buying people, the way they are buying their girlfriend, the way they are buying their boyfriend, the way they are buying their mama, the way they are buying
What doesn't
their
really
papa,
work?
it can't work. How can you buy people
Yeah.
with money? If buying people can give you money, the native doctor will buy you.
You hear from the right source. So this is a promoter of
So,
folk culture and
Coming to the
tradition.
pastors, the
Now
ones
they
giving
talk
you
about
people.
this one. So nothing like what so even you yourself will be promoter of Igbo culture and tradition, even as a high chief, custodian of culture and tradition. That means this their own Wego ritual or this Dibia ritual, not be tradition.
No, not the tradition. Now,
That's not business.
Dibia is not a tradition. It's not a culture. It's that someone that treats sick people. It's not someone that will do juju for you or do spiritualist for you in order to make money. No. When you are sick, you can go to native doctor and cure yourself. It has nothing to do with making money. Because money is an ordinary paper printed by government. Like I'm in Dubai now. I have Dubai money with me. If I want to go back, I will make sure that I spend all the money here because when I travel back to Ghana with Dubai money, it's valueless to me. So I have to spend all the money here without going to Ghana with it. That is it.
Okay.
So all those things does not work.
I hope that don't learn from this video. Follow this page and follow his page also.
And
Waja
according to
Waja
those ones,
Waja Waja.
according to
That's
those of
the name
our
of his page.
brothers and sisters going to Nigeria for prayers in order to make money. You can't make money by praying or by doing fasting or by
Prophecy.
doing prophecy.
Anointing
No.
oil.
You see, most of your pastor collects tithe from you, collects seed, sells anointing oil, anointing water, sticker, candle, calendar, apron, in order to make money.
So what is they make their own money?
Why are you giving them money or why are you sowing seed in their hands?
Wise man.
Why can't they go and look for job to do? Why can't they go and look for their own job to do instead of making money from you guys?
Wise man. Drop your comment.
So,
What do you think?
prayer-
About all he has said.
Prayer, you cannot make money.
Drop your comment.
You cannot make money. If you want to make money in life, you need to lay a foundation of making money.
In a legit way. Thank you very much.
Yes.
Yeah, wise man. God bless you.